Hello children, good morning. It is another new day and we can go for a walk in the beautiful world, in the beautiful environment. We can also pray first thing in the morning. Let's sing our prayer song. Bless us, Lord, throughout this day, while at school, at home, at play. Help us to love and not to hate. Bless our country, our people, our state. We can go outside and see the many different things in the environment because God has put many different animals in the environment. Big animals and very, very small animals. They are called bugs. And there is a bug that has 6 legs, but 2 legs it keeps together like it is praying. It is called a praying mantis. A praying mantis has 6 legs, but 2 legs together like it is praying. This is a praying mantis. A praying mantis is very small. A praying mantis puts 2 legs together like it is praying. A praying mantis has 6 legs. A praying mantis is an insect. P for praying mantis. P for praying mantis. A praying mantis has 6 legs. A praying mantis has 6 legs. A praying mantis is an insect. A praying mantis is an insect. It's time to go for the walk. Wow, there are many different colors of flowers. And there are many different colored bugs, like beetles. Beetles are small bugs that can be many different colors. This is a beetle. A beetle is very small. A beetle can be many colors. A beetle has 6 legs. A beetle is an insect. Beetle, beetle. A beetle has 6 legs. A beetle has 6 legs. A beetle is an insect. A beetle is an insect. Look, here are many red flowers. There is a red beetle with black spots. It is a ladybird. A ladybird is a red beetle with black spots. This is a ladybird. A ladybird is very small. A ladybird is a beetle that is red with black spots. A ladybird has 6 legs. A ladybird is an insect. Ladybird, ladybird. A ladybird is red and black. A ladybird is red and black. A ladybird has 6 legs. A ladybird has 6 legs. A ladybird is an insect. A ladybird is an insect. Wow, look at all these colorful flowers. They have colorful petals. There are bugs with colorful wings. They are called butterflies. Butterflies have colorful wings. This is a butterfly. A butterfly is very small. A butterfly has colorful wings. A butterfly has 6 legs. A butterfly is an insect. Butter, butter. This is butter. This is butter. Butterfly, butterfly. A butterfly has colorful wings. A butterfly has colorful wings. A butterfly has 6 legs. A butterfly has 6 legs. A butterfly is an insect. A butterfly is an insect. Then there are insects that like to land on our washing lines. They have a long tail. They are dragonflies. Dragonflies like to land on the washing line. This is a dragonfly. A dragonfly is very small. A dragonfly has a long tail. A dragonfly likes to sit on the clothesline. A dragonfly has 6 legs. A dragonfly is an insect. D for dragonfly. D for dragonfly. A dragonfly has a long tail. A dragonfly has a long tail. A dragonfly has 6 legs. A dragonfly has 6 legs. A dragonfly is an insect. A dragonfly is an insect. Oh, oh, oh. Then there are bugs that like to bite us. Bugs like mosquitoes. Mosquitoes like to bite us. Oh. This is a mosquito. A mosquito is very small. A mosquito can bite us. A mosquito likes to eat us. A mosquito has 6 legs. A mosquito is an insect. M for mosquito. M for mosquito. A mosquito can bite us. A mosquito can bite us. A mosquito has 6 legs. A mosquito has 6 legs. A mosquito is an insect. A mosquito is an insect. Oh, that was a good walk. We saw many different bugs. Small bugs like beetles. They can be many different colors. And which beetle is red with black spots? A ladybird. A ladybird is red with black spots. And which bug has colorful wings? A butterfly. A butterfly is a bug with colorful wings. And which bug has a long tail? A dragonfly. A dragonfly has a long tail. And which bug likes to eat us? The mosquito. The mosquito comes to eat us. And which bug looks like it is praying? The praying mantis. There are many different bugs. Goodbye, children.